Hello, myself Ravi Patel, Director of Madhava Group of Companies. We are serving railway components, agriculture components, pumps, valve, agriculture components and auto parts component. Our journey together began. We will looking to upgrade our machineries and then we associated with LMW in 2015. Right now we are having total 25 number of machines including turning center and milling centers. One of the standout aspect of LMWs is the commitment to quality. The CNC machine we purchased are good, suitable for all products as expected. Their precision accuracy this machine and provide good value for money are boost to our production. We have noticed an improvement in our product and the reduction in rejections. Moreover, the durability of LMW CNC machines has been very good. We had minimal issues and when need supports, their customer service team has good response and helpful. It's clear that LMWs is behind their product and it is committed to their customer success. I would surely recommend LMW business looking to enhance their manufacturing capabilities. Thank you for your giving me opportunity to share my experience and I look forward to continuing our successful partnership in future.